Hi, Glenn. Thanks for your question. And I agree, buddy. There's a lot of letters happening here. But remember, what we're trying to do with this is really all I want you to do is get it into y equals mx plus b form, right? Slope, intercept. Very powerful because we can immediately figure out what the slope is and the intercept, and that's what we're asked here. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, a lot going on here, but let's just get y by itself. So notice this term right here has y in it. So I'm just going to subtract off this other ax. So our first step here, let's just minus ax from both sides. That's going to cancel it off, so I'm left with by equals c minus ax. Okay, now our final step to get y by itself, we'll just divide both sides by b. And notice over here on the right hand side what I'm doing. Both these terms, the c and the ax, are over the b. So how I could really write that, another way to write that is c over b minus ax over b. Right? We can totally do that because we have two terms up top and a common denominator. Another way to think about that is here. Now, the term with the x, like the mx, is going to be negative a over b, so it's just going to be those fractions. Again, another way to think about this part right here, I could really think about that as negative a over b times x if we wanted to, if you wanted to make it kind of fancy. So that's where our slope comes from. Now, I know it's weird, it's not like it is right here, but it's essentially the same thing, right? It's the number being multiplied by x. Here it's a fraction, but that's okay. It's a negative fraction, that's still okay. It just means we have a downward slope like this. And the y-intercept is going to be the other term, c over b. So a lot of letters here, but I hope that makes some sense. Let me know if it doesn't. Thanks.